KKR is a leading solid surface sanitary ware supplier in China for years, specializing in design and supply solid surface basins, bathtubs, shower trays, stools, and shelf accessories for bathroom solution. Covering with an area of 19,000 square meter, KKR has over 100 molds for bathtubs and 500 molds for basins. The company and factory has over 180 skillful workers with own professional R&D team. We can customize your bathroom vanity items from concept to reality. Factory is also equipped with full set of environmental protection facilities and advanced machines to make sure the goods is in good flatness, accurate size, fine smooth surface, well polished, stable color, safe to our health, with no pungent smell. We persists in pursuit of new technology and nice quality, from raw material to finished items. We have well-trained QC team to ensure the quality by full inspection and quality certificates. We also have attended domestic and overseas exhibitions with rich experience, including new coming online Canton Fair, Alibaba Stream Live Show. Details bring quality. KKR is positioning to middle high-end market, and we have exported to over 107 countries from all over the world. We are full of experience on 5-star hotel and other big projects. Sincerely welcome all potential clients around the world to visit us and set up a long-term and win-win business relationship between both sides. Keep moving, making better.